I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Q5 versus the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300. We'll explore how these two luxury compact SUVs stack up against each other. We'll look at their performance, interior features, and overall driving experience. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle might be the perfect fit for your lifestyle and preferences. Under the hood, both SUVs offer strong turbocharged four-cylinder engines. The Audi Q5 delivers 268 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. The Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 offers 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque, utilizing a 9-speed automatic. Both provide smooth power delivery, with Audi often feeling a bit more agile. Stepping inside, both vehicles boast luxurious cabins. The Audi Q5 showcases a large 14.5-inch MMI touchscreen and an 11.9-inch virtual cockpit. The GLC 300 counters with an 11.9-inch central touchscreen and a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. For practicality, the Q5 offers up to 57 cubic feet of cargo space with seats folded, while the GLC 300 provides 56.3 cubic feet. When considering value, the Audi Q5 typically starts around $46,695, while the Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 begins at approximately $50,400. Fuel efficiency is competitive, with the Q5 offering up to 26 combined miles per gallon, and the GLC 300 achieving up to 29 combined miles per gallon. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize Audi's sporty feel or Mercedes-Benz's refined comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.